I'm Criz.
And welcome to
The Way She Wears. Hi everyone, if you're new to our channel, welcome. Here at The Way She Wears TV, we talk about all things beauty and fashion.
So today's episode, we're gonna give you guys some tips on how to look classy and polished all the time.
That's right. You know, sis, before, I used to think that if you wanted to look classy, you have to buy expensive things or branded things.
Yeah.
But that's not the case.
Yeah, it's not the case. There are ways to look classy without spending a fortune. So we're gonna get right into it. So the first tip for looking classy and polished is really having tailored pieces. So when you have tailored pieces, it looks like you put some thought in what you're wearing. So a blazer is a good place to start because a blazer you can wear them anytime, anywhere, and it instantly elevates your look.
Show us an example.
Okay. Look, lalo na kapag it's over the shoulder na ganito.
Nice.
Tapos ganyan-ganyan ka.
Very low.
Pasok ka na sa office.
So another tip that we can give you is get yourself a structured bag.
Yeah. You know, a structured bag looks more classy than a slouchy one. When you hold it side by side, you'll see na parang mas classy. Kunyari, imagine a bag here.
I love slouchy bags, but not if you want to look classy.
Yeah.
So, next.
The next one is avoid big logos or big prints or lots of prints actually. Avoid prints.
Altogether.
Altogether. Even if they're Chanel or Gucci or LV. Tapos pinagsama-sama mo yun,
It's too much.
Yeah, it's too much. It doesn't look like you're expensive. Kahit na Gucci, Chanel yung mga
even though
gamit
those
mo.
things are expensive.
Even those things are expensive. Parang tone it down. You don't want to look like you're a walking ad.
On to the next tip. The next one is always tuck in your shirt. You taught me that.
Yeah.
See? I
To your,
tucked in it.
kasi it adds structure nga to your outfit.
Yes.
And then if you can add a belt to that, that will instantly elevate the look.
Okay.
The next one is wear delicate pieces or delicate
Jewelry,
accessories
yeah.
or jewelry. Avoid the plastic ones. So
Yeah.
especially like what you're wearing right now.
Yeah, I
sis.
just kind of kept it simple for today.
Especially gold because gold equals expensive and luxe.
Right. I really like what you're showing in the screen right now because all the pieces that you're wearing are very simple. It looks very polished and classy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Another way to look classy is to go monochromatic.
You know, simple outfit and simple silhouettes are not boring, but they actually look really classy. So don't be afraid to tone it down. And actually, monochromatic elongates you.
Makes you look taller or slimmer or something.
Makes you taller, yeah.
Okay. And I think pag nagsuot ka with the right accessories, it looks really, really polished.
Next is matching your bag and your shoes. Because it looks like you put some thought into it. It's very intentional. Although we showed you here parang purple bag and purple
It's just
shoes.
an example.
Pero it's just an example. Pero you can wear, like most of us have black bags, right? And black shoes, I suppose.
Yeah.
So yun, black
Or sometimes
neutral.
like if you have a bag with a touch of gold, so make sure maybe you can find a pair of shoes with a touch of gold.
Yeah,
so it doesn't have to be full
it's
on.
being thoughtful in the way you put your clothes together.
Okay. So next is make sure you stay away from distressed pieces.
Oh, ito yung mga ripped jeans, ripped jacket.
Which I have a lot of, by the way.
Which is okay. I mean, it's okay to have that. That used to
Yeah.
be, I mean, that's a trend.
But like you said, not if you want to look classy.
If you want to look expensive, polished, then you want to stay away from distressed pieces. Kasi it looks casual and it looks
Too casual.
It looks old and worn out, diba?
Yeah.
Worn out. And if it looks old and worn out, it doesn't look expensive.
You can pull it off if it's like a streetwear or
So sis, how about when it comes to makeup? When it comes to skin, what should we look like to look classy?
I think make sure you always avoid heavy makeup. Okay, because it can really make you look too dramatic, I would say, you know, too fake sometimes when you have too much foundation on. So avoid heavy makeup, just keep it natural. Keep the skin looking fresh and dewy and glowy. And then the next tip would be to wear a red lipstick. A red lipstick can really make you look timeless.
Yeah.
I mean, if I don't want to wear any kind of eye makeup, you just put on a red lip and that's it. You immediately look elegant.
And another tip, guys, for looking classy is really not showing too much skin.
That's right. I totally agree with that. The less you show, actually, the more mysterious.
Yeah, mysterious
the
you
more
become.
mystery you get. I
Look
mean,
at
I
Criz.
like to look more conservative. Actually.
Even if you're not showing skin, parang sexiness.
It's
oozes
still
out.
it's still sexy. There's something about modesty that's actually sexy.
So when it comes to clothing, one piece of clothing is especially pa winter na is turtleneck. Yung black turtleneck instantly makes you look classy. Parang turtleneck
And slim.
tapos slim. So yeah.
Great, I love black.
Okay, and then I guess to finish it off, pointed shoes. Black pointed shoes.
Does it have to be a stiletto or not necessarily?
It's up to you, pero maganda
Basta
pointed.
Actually, when you have pointed shoes, it makes your legs appear longer.
Alright guys, so those are our tips on how to look classy and polished.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode and please share with us what was your favorite tip and write it down in the comment section below.
Yeah, and if you have any suggestions on what video you want to see next, please write it down below as well and let us know. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's episode.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you guys next week.
Bye.